Hello everyone. So how to install PhotoStudy app? Here is the app, PhotoStudy Live Study Help. Just open your App Store app and just search for PhotoStudy. That's the app here. Tap Get. You need to confirm with your Touch ID or Face ID, and then this app helps you to get the homework done. You can just scan your math problem, and then it will show a solution. You can ask then a tutor. You can look for steps for a solution and stuff like that. So let's just open it up. And that's it. And then you just need to create an account.